teach you how to make Fiddlehead pickles, and I'm doing it two ways. I'm going to use some Bix brine because we ran out of Yum Yums. If you haven't tried these pickles, you need to. And from a batch last week, I added more to it because they're so good. I needed more. We're going to need at least a big jar of the the dills and a big jar of the sweets, I'm sure, for the next couple of months to enjoy. All right, so here we go. Okay, so here are my ostrich ferns that I bought, but they are wild foraged. I cheated a little because I only found that small little handful you saw in the garden. So what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to blanch them. Okay, so I'm just taking boiling water and I'm going to blanch them for about 5 minutes. Lots of hot water. That'll get a few more of those little bits of brown off. I've been scrubbing those off slowly. And you see it's already losing some of its vibrance. That's okay. It's a pickle. It should look like a pickle, and it's going to be so tasty in just a week or two. It doesn't take very long at all. It's crazy, crazy fast. You don't say, Kiki, huh? All right, just to recap while those are blanching, I'm going to be using the Yum Yum Sweet because I had a jar that was empty. And instead of using this in other things, I'm going to make more pickles because it's really good. I don't know if you've had pickles, but if you ever see them, they are so good, especially Yum Yums and the sweet mix. If you like sweet pickles, you will love these. My family would absolutely adore these. My dad would just go crazy over these. And this one I made, so this is what they look like after they start to get this this pale. They'll get even more pale. You see they've already gotten a little pale. They'll get more pale, more like an aged pickle. Just in the 2 weeks that I made these, I'll just show you what they look like. So we'll pull one out. So here's a little fiddlehead fern. I've decided that I'm going to plant these in my garden because if I can find them, I'm going to put a half a dozen of them in between my mushroom patches. So maybe we'll have fresh forage in my garden. Wouldn't that be awesome? So I'm just going to eat this so you can hear the crunch because they're not soft. They're nice and crunchy. Can you hear that? They're so good. So be like a crunchy pickle. That Bernardin pickle mix, let me show you that again, is amazing. It has the right kind of salts to make a delicious treat. So these are just about done. So I'm going to bring it over here and I'll show you. Okay, now that these are rinsed and blanched, I'm going to pack them into the jars. I'm not sure what happened there. We lost our camera. And these I'm just going to fill up to the top. Just shove it right in there. And this one too, because it's so good. I've made just a few because I wasn't sure how they would taste. These are amazing, and the season is so short. So definitely get enough for the year so that you can have them on all your charcuterie plates, your cheese plates, for all your parties later in the year. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm just going to put these in the refrigerator for a couple of weeks. By morning, they'll probably be this color. That's usually what happens. And we'll see what the sweet ones look like. And I'll see you all next time. If you enjoyed this, please click like and subscribe. And I really hope you enjoyed going on the walk with me because I love doing that with you from my beautiful home on Vancouver Island in British Columbia. Bye for now.